Denise, and today we're going to be learning about a very important tool that every driver should have in their car, the fire extinguisher. This tool can save lives and prevent major damages. In an emergency, you should stand 6 to 8 feet away from the fire. Then remember the PASS method, or PASS.
That's right, Denise. P stands for pull the pin. This unlocks the extinguisher so you could use it.
A is for aim at the base of the fire, not the flames. This is where the fire source is.
S means squeeze the handle. This releases the extinguisher agent.
And the final step is S. S is to sweep side to side and keep the extinguisher aimed at the base and move it from side to side until the fire's out.
Now let's put PASS into action. Remember, only attempt this if it's safe.
P stands for pull the pin. A is for aim. S means squeeze the handle. The final step is S. S means sweep side to side.
Run, Denise!
Always be sure to call emergency services in a real situation. If the fire is too big or you're unsure, don't risk it. Wait for a professional's help. And that's how you use a fire extinguisher. It's a crucially safety tool, and knowing how to use it is just as important.
Stay safe and be prepared for emergencies.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!